That's why you know many masajid in America, they hire and fire imams. Why do you think they do that? Because if the poor guy speak according to the Qur'an, he's going to be fired. He has to speak according to the king, the prince, the prime minister, the president, and those in control. Not according to the Qur'an. Do you know in some Muslim countries, the imams cannot give a khutbah from Qur'an and Sunnah. They got to give a khutbah that was written and sent to them. And if they give a khutbah according to Qur'an and Sunnah, and it conflicts with the governmental laws in their country, Muslims, that poor imam will be fired or locked up and put in jail. Go check it out. I'm not calling countries because this khutbah goes all over the world. All over the world. People hear this all over the world. Maybe they put a ban on visa for me to come there. See? Go check it out. I've been to all different countries all over the world, alhamdulillah. I've been all over, lectured all over. Malaysia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, London, Holland. You name it, we have been there, alhamdulillah. Just came back from Africa last month. Just came back from India 2 days ago. Imams are not free to give khutbahs according to the Quran and Sunnah. They got to give according to the people who pay them. Yes, there are. In America, mashallah, there are many who can do that. But yet in America also, the organization, the board members, if the khutbah conflicts with their belief and their materialistic love for the dunya, and it belittles them, well, that poor imam is fired. Like how Trump fires people. Yeah, poor guy is gone. See how sad? That's very sad. Because that's the nature of human beings. And that's why a lot of people they will always remain in that ignorance.